and I'm going to offset each one of these over 5 thousandths. Now, I could go through each one of these and do the same. Now, most likely this is symmetrical, so I'm going to cheat. I'm going to come in and draw a construction line, and we'll actually mirror all this geometry. So let's go to Sketch, Mirror, Objects. Let's see. Let's see if it'll just let us select all of this. That's the cool thing about Fusion 360. Sometimes you can just cheat. Alright. Mirror line. I'm going to select my construction line. And what do you know? It's symmetrical. If anybody's got a better way to do this, let me know. So I'm going to hit OK. Zoom in, make sure all my geometry is the way I want it, and it looks good. Let's go ahead and go to Create. We'll zoom in. I'm going to select this, this. And there's probably a better way of doing this. I'm already kind of committed, so we're going with it. If anybody's got a better way, let me know in the comment section, and I'll try it out. Alright, cool. I'm going to tilt my model and pull down. We'll go ahead and put it in top view. And let's double check ourselves. So if I measure this diameter right here, it should be bigger than an 1/8 inch. I got 0.128. Perfect. Let's measure each one of these. Oops. I'm going to hit I for inspect. And it looks like we got everything. So what I'm going to do, since I've modified the model, I'm going to save as and pretty much duplicate it. as a modified version. I'm gonna hit save. Let's go back to manufacture. Now, since I changed the model, it threw up warnings. So I'm gonna right click on my op, regenerate. It's gonna fix everything. Alright, so I'm going to cut each one of these slots. Now these slots are actually vents for a fan for his 3D printer. So I'm going to go to 2D Pocket, tool. Let's create an 1/8 inch tool. So I'm going to make a 1/8 inch end mill. Go cutter, it'll be flat end mill, 0.125 diameter. Speed 3500. And since it's such a small end mill, I'm going to go really slow. I'm just going to go 10 inches a minute. Now, there probably could be a faster way to do this. If you got a faster way, let me know. I'll be the first one to tell you. I don't know everything. Tool number 5 sounds good. Go ahead and click OK. Geometry. Let's go ahead and select our geometry here. Tool height, because we have clamps, let's go 0.6. Retract height, we're just going to do 0.1. What we're gonna do is pretty much do each one of these vents. Then the last one, what we'll do is then we'll slide over and retract to 0.6. Actually, let's just make that 0.6. Okay, so retract height 0.1, top height 0.1, bottom height. I'm gonna do my origin. Let's go absolute. I'm probably gonna go about 35,000 depth of cut. So what we'll do is we'll make our offset down. Let's go minus 0.235. Passes. Right here, my maximum step over will have to be we'll try 0.12. We have to have room to step over it without gouging the material. Okay, so we'll make our maximum step over. We'll try 0.1, see how it works. Stock to leave. These are just vents, so I'm not really too worried about it. Now, what I do have to do is go to multiple depths. We're going to go 35,000 depth for cut. And we'll see how this works. I'm going to use a helix ramp in. Okay, so it gave me a warning right here. Let's go ahead and simulate this, see what it does. So the warning could possibly be that it doesn't like my maximum step over. 0.125. It still doesn't like it. Could be my safe distance. Let's try this out. Okay, so it's got a little warning in there. I'm not really sure what it is. Everything on my toolpath looks good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and right click and let's simulate it one more time. And what we're looking for is to make sure that the tool doesn't go outside of the pocket. And everything looks good. I'm going to name this left 1 so I'm going to name this left 1 vent 1. Go ahead and hit OK. Let's go ahead and save this. Alright, so okay, so I have six vents per a fan. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and duplicate this. Okay, so I have 7 vents per a fan. So I'm gonna go ahead and do is duplicate this 6 more times. So we'll go to duplicate. And I can just select Control D to duplicate this. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, so I'm going to name each one of these. Let's name this Vent 2.